Welcome back to 99 Bitcoin's YouTube channel. I'm Yoshimar, and today we're taking a look at Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin going to 100K or will Bitcoin see $70,000 first? That's exactly what we're discussing in today's video. But before we get started, I do gotta ask, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss a single update just like this, as we cover Bitcoin, meme coins, altcoins, everything crypto on this channel. I don't want you to miss a single beat. Therefore, hit that subscribe button down below. It's free to do so and helps with the channel tremendously. Also, guys, if you haven't already, check out the partner for our channel, Best Wallet. Best Wallet is the best anonymous crypto wallet that lets you create an account without verification, ID, or KYC. Get the most secure and anonymous non-custodial crypto wallet today. Available on Google Play and the Apple App Store. Every download supports the channel tremendously. There's actually a download link that can be found in the description box below. Again, guys, great wallet where you can buy, store, deposit, send, swap. And again, every download supports the channel tremendously, so I'd appreciate if you check it out. Link in the description box below. Now, guys, the crypto market is not looking too great. We're seeing a couple of gainers on the day, but for the most part, this week has been pretty brutal, and we've seen a bunch of pullbacks. Market down about 0.2%, was down a little bit more earlier today. Market back into fear, 35 on the fear and greed index, and RSI is currently sitting at 46. Again, all these levels seem to be in a very interesting spot. Bitcoin holding at about $90,000 zone, struggling to hold in that zone, actually currently sitting at 89,000. Ethereum below 3,000. The levels we've seen, I believe the lowest for 2025. And the question is, are we going to see Bitcoin have some price stability? Are we going to see recoveries from here, or are we going down? And again, we're seeing both sides of the coin. When looking in the media, we're seeing some bullish statements, we're seeing some bearish statements. Here's why Bitcoin is falling. It's failing its role as a safe haven versus gold. Then we see other articles like this where it says Bitcoin will take the place of gold. Okay, so again, we're going to take a look at both perspectives, then I'll give my personal opinion as well. But again, guys, before we continue the Bitcoin update, make sure you check out this pre-sale project that could be making Bitcoin faster, cheaper, more effective, and that is with Bitcoin Hyper. Bitcoin Hyper is bringing L2 technology to make Bitcoin faster, cheaper, and more effective. They have raised nearly $31 million in a pre-sale, and in 1 day and 17 hours, they're set to increase the price. Meaning, if you want to get the lowest price, it's your last chance to do so. Link in the description box below. Bitcoin Hyper will finally unlock fast and cheap Bitcoin transactions. This will unleash the true power of Bitcoin, payments, meme coins, and dApps. Again, there's a link in the description box below. You can check it out. Every buy will be able to do so directly from the website with Carter Crypto. So definitely check this one out and take advantage of the 38% staking rewards. Now, let's go back to Bitcoin. What's going on? So we're seeing the headlines: Bitcoin failing its role, safe haven. Bitcoin will take the place of gold. Fed suddenly braced for a $34 trillion BlackRock price surprise. Bitcoin holders slip into losses for the first time in years as market signals a bull to bear transition. Bitcoin news: Bitcoin slips below $9,000 as gold surges toward 23,000 target. So again, a lot of people are starting to get confused. They don't know where to put their money. Is it better in gold? Is it better in Bitcoin? We're going to take a look. In terms of price action on the day, down about 0.3%. On the week, down about 6%. And the month, still up over 1%. Again, on the month, we're obviously tracking as far as back as December. Right when we take into January's considerations, we're almost getting into the January's low. The lowest price report in January was around $87,000, and we're starting to dance with that. Earlier this week, we did dip into the red. We were at 97.5. Then we saw some recovery. Again, a couple like earlier this month, we were almost dancing with $100,000. Now, this could be a fantastic time to buy. I think obviously in the long term, we're definitely going to reclaim the six-figure mark. But the question is, what are we going to see first? Are we going to see a continuation in decline, or are we going to start moving in the opposite direction? Only time is going to tell, but I can tell you one thing: momentum is silently building. As you can see, the reports here, Bitcoin will take the place of gold. Bitcoin has limped into 2026, flattening its weight for gold price bottom that catapulted its eyes to $34 trillion market capitalization. The Bitcoin price, which plummeted under $100,000 per Bitcoin in November, has started to regain its early 2025 momentum. Now, with Bitcoin and crypto primed for imminent massive shock, Bitcoin backing BlackRock fixed income chief Rick Reader has become a surprise favorite to be named as U.S. President Donald Trump's first pick as Federal Reserve chair. And again, if that happens, obviously we might see Bitcoin do better. And then Bitcoin will take the place as gold to a large extent. Yes, I do, because it's so much more functional than passing a bar of gold around. Those odds of being named as the next Fed chairman have rocketed almost 40% this week. So again, this could be pretty bullish for Bitcoin. Hence why I've been extremely bullish for Bitcoin, and I wouldn't be getting shaken out in a market like this. This is, if anything, a better time to buy Bitcoin, as we're probably going to see price supply get even more shocked and probably make it even more attractive to be buying Bitcoin. Just a CFTC chairman saying there will be no better place in the world to build than crypto capital of the world, referring to the United States. White House thanked President Trump. America is the crypto capital of the world. We're starting to see more and more adoption of crypto, and US being the #1 spot for this, it's going to be very, very good for Bitcoin. But guys, remember, like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel, as I'm not a financial advisor. Therefore, none of this is financial advice. That wraps the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Until next time, ciao.